Hi, my YouTubers, and welcome back. I hope I haven't lost you all. I haven't been scratching because of my torn rotor cuff, and that'll be taken care of next week. So not too long, and I'll be back to scratching daily. Right now, I have a cash explosion, 5 of them, in fact. This is the one where you get 3 entries and you put it into the drawing to get on the TV show. I had tickets 60 through 64. Wow, I'm out of practice. I'm out of sync here. You try to match 3 the odds. The odds are, gosh, I can't see that. 1 in 4.45, it looks like. Anyway, you gotta match 3 like kinds or 2 like kinds in a multiplier. Match 3 entries and you can enter your ticket into the drawing to be on the show. Simple. Where the minimum you can win on the show is $6,200, I think it is. But the total, it's infinite. You can go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. So let's get scratching here on 60. Oh, my penny isn't working. Let me use my flattened penny. There we go. First up is a $500 bill. 5,000. $4. $4 make you holler. There's a 50. A lot of 5s coming out. There's a $4 again. There's a 500 again. And a 5,000 again. I could live with 5,000, could you? A $2 boo hiss. And finally, let's see what we got. We got a $4 winner. 1, 2, 3. So hey, we're starting off good. Let's see if we can keep it going. On to ticket number 61. First scratch is a $10 bill. Next is a $500 bill. Uh-oh, there we go. We got an entry. I like seeing those entries. I just need 2 more. And next we have $5. $5,000. Come on, entry. Darn it. And that is another entry. I kind of scratched too hard there, but it does say entry. Come on, entry. Next is a $4. A $5, so we got a chance at $5. And an entry. Come on, entry or $5. Boo, this one's a big loser, a big effing loser. So here we go on to, they don't want to come apart, to ticket number 62. First scratch is $100, 5,000, $4, a 10 spot, another 10 spot, $100. A hundo would make me happy. 5,000. $5, so we got a chance at 5,000, 10, a hundo. Let's see what we got. We'll go on from this side. We got small zeros. Can we get, nah, that's a big effing loser. Let's go on to ticket number 63. First scratch, it's 5,000. Next one is $4. $20. $20 make me holler. A 10 spot, $50. $50. $4. $2. $20, so we got a chance at 4 and 20. We know it's going to be small zeros. And it's a $5 bill. Big effing loser. So we come down to our last ticket, number 64. And first scratch is 5 hundos. Next is 50. Next is 5 grand. Next we have $5. Look at all those fives floating around. There's another 5,000. There's another 50. There's a $2. Had to ruin it, didn't you, $2? Well, we know we're not going to get an entry. And another entry. So this is a big effing loser. But I got $4 back. I'm very happy about that. Please give my video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comments section. And if you aren't subscribed, why not? It's free. It's free to subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get all notifications when I post something. What else? Oh, live your best life that you can and be kind to people. Until the next time, just keep on trucking on down the road. Bye-bye.